Good evening, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on July 20th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Man, it has been a busy 48 hours, and I haven't uploaded my video in 48 hours, and I apologize for that. I've been very busy trying to figure stuff out, and man, oh man, I got hacked. So careful out there, people, with your stuff, because pretty much what happened to me, I had my backpack stolen with everything in it, and now they've hacked my emails, and it's pretty crazy. Apparently my email is being used illegally overseas by 13 or 14 different IP addresses now. It's pretty crazy. And now Google wants $100 for me to shut it down, and I'm like, what? Come on, I'm the one who got hacked here. Fix me up. Nope. Anyways, guys, looking at the Pacific Disaster Center right here, this is a long list of a lot of fires burning in the northern hemisphere. And man, it has been a busy 48 hours with two large earthquakes. The 6.0 in Papua New Guinea and also the 6.0 in Alaska. So just looking at our map here, and you can see all across the United States today, large tornado warnings. 2 confirmed yesterday in Iowa, and there will be more confirmed today. Look at all these fires in Russia. It's getting out of hand here. Man, oh man. Fires and a rare earthquake here in Poland as well. 5.0 earthquake in Poland. Very rare earthquake. But yeah, all around the world, things are changing rapidly. And we're going to look at the weather right now, and this is Tropical Storm Ampil, Tropical Cyclone Ampil, who is heading right into the North China Sea, straight for Shanghai. And that's going to be happening over the next 24 hours. Monsoon rains, relentless. Heat in the East Indies, relentless. And also the heat in Africa, you can see there, intense. Across the United States and Canada, we've got a lot of thunderstorm activity happening throughout all the prairie provinces, and also throughout Ontario later in the week. So watch for large supercell thunderstorms across North America, as we've got intertropical convergence as that huge wave from a cold low from the north sweeps across our land. You can see here a lot of moisture moving up later in the week. The eastern seaboard. A lot of evaporation in the Pacific Ocean. And I tell you, Kilauea could really use some rain to calm that volcano down, but still high pressure blockade stopping any kind of moisture heading into that area. But at least the high pressure is keeping all that toxic sulfuric emissions from Kilauea away from us. Here, look at those tight isobars from this low pressure system in Antarctica heading towards southeastern Australia. This is a very large low, and this is the place where all of the lows come together to form one large low pressure system week after week. And I've been broadcasting for a year now, and I've seen these low pressure systems just get bigger and bigger in the southern hemisphere. There's nothing stopping them. Argentina today had a yesterday a 5.4 earthquake, but they were also dealing with a pretty dense low pressure system developing over Buenos Aires there. We also had a 5.6 in Mexico yesterday. A lot of evaporation in these areas. Atlantic storm season, pretty silent. But here's a quick satellite image of Tropical Cyclone Ampil. As you can see, the track, it's just east of Taiwan and then straight into China, Shanghai. So there's another low pressure just above it. You can see spinning there. Let's hope they don't join forces and make a large super typhoon. Here we are for earthquakes in the last 48 hours. And man, it has been busy. I mean, look at this 6.0 in Alaska, followed by a 6.0 in Kandrian area, Papua New Guinea. 5.2 earthquake in Siberut, Indonesia. So some rare earthquakes today. As I mentioned earlier, this 5.0 in Poland, the previous one here in Indonesia, this one here in Argentina as well. So the 20th here, July 20th, we've got lots of interesting rare earthquakes happening. Stay aware and prepared, folks. Have a plan, because that big one could be coming to you. Well, I think it's most likely going to be in Mexico. My forecast is from the 27th to the 29th, we are going to experience a very large earthquake. And I think it most likely will be in Mexico. We shall see. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look here. This is all the earthquakes from last year at this time. And a year ago today, we had this large 6.7 in Bodrum, Greece. And also a pretty sizable 7.3 in Iraq. So stay aware and prepared, folks. I'm just going to give you a quick look here at solar activity for the last 48 hours. Small look at some solar tornadoes spinning on our sun. Also watching a coronal hole development just underneath that sunspot. Now remember, folks, all the planets are in one corner of our solar system right now. Expect some changes here quickly. Just wanted to share with you some NASA Worldview images of all the fires burning in Russia. Countless fires burning in Russia. Thousands of hectares of land is burning up. These forest fires are getting out of hand. Now this is a pretty remote area in Russia. But you can see they are injecting heat, carbon emission, smoke into our atmosphere. Fires overlooking the fires in the Congo region. Also watching some more of this Saharan dust storm. Just doesn't seem to stop. Eventually we're going to have an equator just full of all this Saharan dust. Man, oh man. What is going on in our world? Stay aware and prepared, folks. Thanks for watching today. This has been Mike with your Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. Watch for the anomalies coming up, because I don't know what happened, but something disappeared. You can see that sharp line on the clouds just in parts of Northern California there. Now yesterday when I was looking at NASA Worldview, there was literally 6 chemtrails laid across the sky there. And today, they are gone. Thank you, NASA. Thanks for watching today. Stay aware and prepared. And get your morning dew. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.